Why is the loving world again? Why on the ocean marching hand? Why are the levels rising land? It's a brand new record for 1984. There might be joy, a brand new album.
Hi, thanks for joining us for Cock. I'm John.
And I'm John, if they might be
John.
John, if they might be
Josh, they might be joining us for Josh. And we've got a new album out on Elektra Records. It's called
John.
Blood.
This is our giant rock promotion video, so come on inside.
Some records that come out today only have
Angry
songs, or 10.
This makes us
Less. 10. But instead of the darkness, John and I have decided to do something about it. Cursing songs.
Fuck.
We've put out a record with 19 songs on it.
And that's why our record is
Blood, if you buy our new album,
better.
you'll be getting songs like
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you up.
Bird Soul in your house.
Lucky ball and chain.
Lucky Ball and Chain.
Constantinople, not Istanbul. Dead. Racist.
Particle Man. Particle Man.
Twisting. We want to rock. We want to rock. Someone keeps moving my chair.
Someone keeps moving my chair.
You're in it. Someone keeps moving my waist. Yeah.
Letterbox. Whistling in the dark. Whistling in the dark.
Hot chop.
Hot job.
Women and men.
Women and men.
Sapphire bullets of pure love.
Bullets on your
They might be giants.
They might be giants. Boy. They might be giants. Boy. They might be giants. Boy. They might be
Josh.
And road movie to Berlin.
a road movie to Berlin.
British television is what?
Brooklyn's
Colts.
foremost music test, a combo of whom it is often said they might be giants. We welcome John Flansburgh and John Linnell Flansburgh, independent sex. So do you have a sex dream?
Just
Every night.
Here's a special article.
Particle Man, 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 Particle Man. Let's take a moment and listen to the first single off our record. Birdhouse in Your Soul.